Assalamualaikum everyone. Today my presentation topic is algorithm for data science. My name is MD Sulaiman Sheikh and my ID is 252250002. So first of all, I share my presentation slide. So give me some times. So here is my presentation slide, algorithm from data science. Here I can show you that my ID, also my name. So first of all, I talk about introduce to data science. So what is data science? Data science is a field that uses structural to analyze data, programming to process large data set, and domain knowledge to understand the real world problem and make correct decision. So what is the goal of the data science? So goal to extract meaningful insights from supervised and is structured and unstructured data, usually used in business, healthcare, and technology. So why algorithm are important? So algorithm important because algorithm define how data is processed and analyzed, enable automation and of decision making, help uncover hidden patterns and trends in large data set. So I can here show a workflow flow chart for data science. So here a data science life cycle. So we can see the how can data processing and how to use for business understanding. So data understanding, then data pre-processing and data analyze, data modeling, model evolution, model deployment. Then it will for the business understanding, like a super shop, how many product more sell from the shop. We can predict the all data, and we in this flow chart, in this flow way we can the more selling product value predict by data science. So types of algorithm in data science. So in data science we can use supervised learning. Supervised learning use labeled data and unsupervised learning use unlabeled data. Also reinforcement learning learn through reward based feedback. Mane how it reinforcement learning mean a correct decision making, the way from the predict we can the best feedback from the prediction. So supervised learning explanation and example. Learn from label input output pairs, common text classification and regression in use in supervised learning. Here I can example where I can use supervised learning. So supervised learning example predict house price using past sales data. So past sales data from we can predict house price. Common supervised learning algorithm. Linear regression, it used for predict continuous value. Logistic regression, binary classification, decision tree. Rule-based decision making and support vector machine. Mass-based classification. So unsupervised learning explanation and example. So work with unlabeled data, discover patterns and grouping. Example, customer segmentation in a e-commerce platform. So unprecedented work with unlabeled data. So common unsupervised algorithm, k-means clustering, group similar data points, and high clinical clustering, create cluster trees, and principal commons, analyze PCA, dimensionary reduction. So classification algorithm diagram. So we can see there a data set from we can see spam mail and an inbox mail. So these two types of mail we classify. Then it will label inbox mail and another. So you will spam folder. So input data feature extraction classification algorithm, then class label. Example, native bias, random forest, k nearest neighbors. So regression algorithm, linear regression algorithm example is relation between variable, polynomial regression, non-linear traits. Example, prediction salary based on year of experience. So here we can see a cluster process. There are some many different types of data. Then we cluster in label class A, class B, class C. So clustering algorithm, visual concept. So data points group basis on similarity. K means assign data to nearest center, and DBs can identify as a dense regression. So model evolution metrics. Also, we can use model evolution metrics, accuracy, overall correctness, and predict and recall class specified performance. F1 score balance between prediction and recall, means square errors, regression error measures. So real world application, healthcare is case prediction, finance, fraud detection, e-commerce recommendation system, cybersecurity institution detection. So advantages and challenges. So automation, repetitive and complex tasks, saving time and effort. Scalability efficiently handles large and growing amount of data without performance loss. And data type decision helps makes a accurate decision based on data and non guesswork. So challenges it data quality maintain, algorithm selection, host type of algorithm we select, overfitting and bias issue when we can predict data. So conclusion. So algorithm are the backbone of the data science, and different problem require different algorithm. So understand state and limitation to essential. So different problem we need different type of algorithm for predict data. So this is my presentation from algorithm from data science. Thank you everyone. So this is for today. So assalamu alaikum.